Welcome to Cipla. This safety training program will familiarize you with company safety policies, rules, and regulations. We request you to follow the same. Wishing you safe work. At Cipla, EHS is second to none describes that always treats safety as first priority. There is no work so important or so urgent that it cannot be done safely. Life Safety Rules. Life Safety Rule. Responsibility. Safety is a line function. Do not instruct others to commit or overlook unsafe acts. Safety is everyone's responsibility. 1. Do not instruct to others for unsafe act. 2. Do not overlook unsafe acts. Life Safety Rule. Safe Work Procedure. Always follow safe work procedures. Some examples of safe work procedures are: 1. Maintaining good housekeeping. 2. Follow speed limit and pathway on road. 3. Using of personal protective equipments, PPE, as per activity. 4. In case have any doubt, do not rely on guesswork. Get clarification from your supervisor or manager. Life Safety Rule 4. Handling flammables, bonding and grounding. Always remember to apply earthing and bonding while handling flammables during loading and unloading. Do not throw away solvents or other chemicals in the drains without consulting your department head. Life Safety Rules. Personal Protective Equipment, PPE. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment as specified in different areas and for different tasks. Life Safety Rule. Unauthorized operation. Material handling equipment and vehicles should not be driven without authorization. Person having LMV and HMV are not authorized to handle this equipment if not having license for this equipment's handling. Life Safety Rule. Electronic equipment usage in hazardous areas. Use of cell phones, cameras and other portable electronic devices is prohibited in area classified as hazardous areas without proper authorization. Life Safety Rule. Emergency equipment access. Emergency equipments, fire extinguishers, spill control kits, fire buckets, manual call points, body showers, etc. Access to all emergency equipment must be kept clear at all times. Emergency exits and pathways must be kept clear at all times. Life Safety Rule. Travel Safety. Drive responsibly, wear seat belts and comply with local laws. Adhere to the speed limits, 10 km per hour in the factory premises. Use seat belts and helmets. Do not drink and drive. Do not use your phone or text while driving. Emergency preparedness. Major emergencies observed in industries are: fire, explosion, toxic release. In case of any emergency, please do not panic, wait for instruction from company personnel. Make a queue and leave the place towards the nearest assembly point, if instructed. In case of emergency, you can use below types of communication aids for help. By shouting. By use of intercom, dial 999. By use of fire alarm system, MCP. Always pass clear message in case of emergency. Cipla Unit 1, 2, 3 dial emergency 999. Manual call points. In case of emergency, dial number is not available nearby, find nearby manual call point and activate by breaking the glass or pulling the lever to communicate exact location. Emergency evacuation. In case of any emergency, if instructed for evacuation, do not panic. Make a queue and leave the place towards the nearest suggested assembly point. Use the nearest means of escape, emergency door. Do not run, walk briskly. Do not use lift in emergency. Use the staircase to reach nearest assembly point. General instructions. 1. Always carry your identity card in the company premises. 2. Consumption of alcohol and drugs are strictly prohibited. 3. Smoking is not allowed in the factory. Strict disciplinary action will be taken for smoking. 4. Do not leave vehicle unattended. Follow instruction given by concerned Cipla employee accompanying you and those displayed at appropriate locations. Please make use the walkways wherever available. Instruction for chemical transport vehicle. 1. Always kept legal document, license, insurance, PUC, and material related document with you. 2. Provide spark arrestor on silencer. 3. Vehicle should be parked on dedicated parking place. 4. At the time of loading and unloading of tanker, ignition key of tanker is removed and key to be deposited to concerned company personnel. 5. Stopper to be applied to tanker wheel. 6. Earthing bonding done as per procedure. 7. Driver cleaner have knowledge about handling emergency. 8. Correct term card to be available on driver. 9. First aid box to be maintained in cabin.